In today's video, we'll show you how to fix all Windows Update error problems step by step. Let's get started. The first method is to use the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter. Go to Settings. Then Update and Security. And select Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. And then select Windows Update. Run the troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, let's clear the Windows Update cache, which can resolve many update issues. Go to Settings. Then System. And click on Storage. Here, you'll get an overview of your disk usage. Click on Show More Categories to see a detailed breakdown. In this list, click on Temporary Files. Wait until scanning is complete, then select the items you want to delete, for example recycled bin and temporary files. Then click Remove Files. Another powerful tool is Disk Cleanup. Type Disk Cleanup in the search bar and open the tool. Select the drive you want to clean, usually the C. After it calculates, click on Clean Up System Files. Select the files you want to delete, then click OK. Sometimes, malware can interfere with Windows Update. Run a full system scan with Windows Defender. Go to Settings. Click on Update and Security. Then select Windows Security and open it. Click on Viruses and Threats Protection. If any threats are found, then click on it and block or remove from your system. And now let's update your system. Go to Settings. Click Update and Security section. Select Windows Update. And update your system if there are any available updates. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.